If we want to know, if we have any doubts that it's warring people, go down and visit the Somali grocery store on 5400 South Rainier. The government agents were able to come in without explanation, take up all of their stuff, pull the shelves off their walls, and not say why, not even have a conversation with them about it. Remember, you are next.
They took half of my grocery store.
We are struggling to pay our own rent, let alone support terrorists or whoever. We don't even have the money to support.
I came to America to achieve the high dream, the American dream.
What is the value of the life of a single human being?
This is an interesting year for me.
And by talking today, if I'm getting in trouble, then I hope I went down as a good Muslim. I really hope so.